Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off keyboard sound in Samsung M12. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options here. Swipe up and click on the sound and notifications. After that click on the ringtones and sounds. After that swipe up and here you will see keyboard sound is on. It means that it plays sound when the Samsung keyboard is tapped. If keyboard sound is on, firstly of this, it means that it doesn't play or produce any sound when the Samsung keyboard is tapped, because our keyboard sound option is off. I will show you the result. Here you will see it doesn't produce any sound when we tap on our Samsung keyboard. It means that our keyboard sound is off in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.